Wanted to see their walls go from boring stucco to dynamic stone. The entire makeover took just 2 days.
When the boys from NSVI roll into town, there's a good chance something is going to get rocked. And these are the guys who are going to be responsible for it.
Big, tall piece, 6-7 inches thick.
Family owned and operated out of Fond du Lac, Wisconsin, Natural Stone Veneers International specializes in fabricating natural thin stone for interior and exterior walls.
Anybody throughout America, when building or remodeling on any size project, has the ability to have natural thin stone on their walls.
This wasn't the case until Dennis Beekle invented a machine that could cut stone into thin slices between 1 and 1 1/2 inches thick. These thin stones were a godsend to masons because they were easier and quicker to apply than full veneer and much more attractive than manufactured stone.
For the last 3 years, we've been allowed with our technology to walk into the manufactured stone market with real stone and say to the end consumer, "Sir, ma'am, you have a choice on which you would like, manufactured or natural." Difference being natural stones, timeless look. Without saying anything, it tells you can see the difference.
As you can see from this patio makeover, the transformation is dramatic. Because the home's walls were finished with stucco, the first thing the masons did was screw a wire lathe into the studs. Next, they applied a scratch coat, a thin layer of mortar that covers the lathe.
After that, we're going to come in and we'll prep the job, taking out all the pieces in every box, laying them out so that everybody that's installing can take a look at the large to smaller pieces.
The homeowners chose a tan limestone called Sydney, one of 55 different stones carried by the company. Sydney will give the patio an old-world ambiance.
We're going to put the puzzle together, putting a balance of our smaller to bigger pieces up onto the wall, keeping a consistent 1 to 2 finger width mortar joint throughout the project.
Once the stones are in place, the masons then apply a tan overgrout that adds to the aged look. After the grout has dried, they come back in, knock it down, and brush it off. Just 2 days later, the homeowners have a new patio with a timeless look.
We've seen what happens when the NSVI bus rolls into town. When the Weekend